Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to produce a MetaMod. And if you do not know what a MetaMod is, we're gonna go here in the OpenSea and I'm gonna show you what it is. So right now we're in the OpenSea in the Planet X assets and I've selected the asset MetaMod. So this over here is a MetaMod and it is something that we need to upgrade our facilities. So recently, Planet X has announced something that we are able to upgrade our facilities and make them much more efficient to produce energy. And in order to do that, we're gonna need a meta mode. And in order to acquire a meta mode, you can either buy it, which right now costs $56.19. That's USD, US dollars, or you can either create it. And I'm gonna show you that right now. So in order to create a meta mod, there are some certain requirements that we need. And we will be able to see that over here if you go to our mission control. And let's go to our Eternal Lab. So we go to our mission control in our Planet IX, log in with your MetaMask account, and connect your wallet to mission control, Planet IX. And once you're done that, we go here in the terminal and we go to Eternal Lab over here, Eternal Lab. So let's go to Eternal Lab. And we're gonna go to Biomod Lab. And we're gonna go to MetaMod Fusion. MetaMod Fusion. And over here, we are gonna be able to see the requirements that we need in order to create a MetaMod. So we need 3,000 Astro credits. We need 75 outlier biomodes. We need 57 common biomodes. We need 38 uncommon biomodes. We need 19 rare biomodes. And we need 8 legendary biomodes. And 100 energy. So those are the requirements in order to create a MetaMod. So once you have those requirements, you're gonna be able to create it. So I already have all my requirements and I have more actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create it. So I'm just gonna click on Fuse, create it. So guys, as of today, I've calculated how much it would cost if you have created if you have bought all of your requirements in order to create a MetaMod. So if you've bought all of your requirements to create a MetaMod right now, exactly right now, it would have cost you, I believe, it would have cost you it would have cost you 37.96 USD, US dollars, if you bought all of your requirements. But I already had some of my requirements from Burning Waste. So yeah, but that's for another video. Anyways, I'll put all of the videos that might be helpful to you in the link down below. But right now I have to confirm this transaction. So I'm gonna click on confirm and it's gonna confirm my transaction. It's gonna continue to fuse the buy mode. The meta mode, I mean. Okay. So we're gonna click on exit. And now if you go to here, Biomodes Lab, go here, don't go here. This is for burning biomodes and blueprints. This is for creating MetaMods. So if you click on this one, it should show your active order. So if you go to active orders, click on active orders. There we go. We can see that we have one active order and it takes 24 hours for it to burn. So it's gonna take 1 day. So After 1 day, you're gonna be able to claim it on the mission control on the manager, but that's gonna be for another video. I'll create another video for that on how you claim your orders. So you can only create one MetaMod at a time. You can't create more than one. So only one. Okay. So that's it. That is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like our channel and click the notification bell so you can be updated if you have any new videos out. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.